But how do you know what time frames to trade? This is a little secret I'm going to give you for making it this far in the video. First, you start with a time frame that you are comfortable using. Let's assume, for example, that it's the 60-minute time frame, and I'm picking this time frame based on your schedule and ability to see the market. To get the next smaller time frame that we should use, we will use a little bit of math. What I would suggest is to multiply the 60-minute time frame, so 60, by 0.618. My clever viewers just had an aha moment. 0.618 is the most popular Fibonacci retracement level. If you don't know about that, please go back and watch that video as well. All that being said, multiplying 60 by 0.618 gives us 37. And yes, I do realize that I rounded there. So the time frames you would use are 60 and 37. Here's a hint. You can use this math with any two time frames that you want to use. All right, so why are we doing this? Because it works. That's why. So let's look at some recent examples using the overall market. Here on 5/22/2020, we have the S&P 500 index. Notice that we have a trade set up on the 37-minute time frame. The uptrend is determined by the RSI being over 50. Stochastic is oversold in this uptrend, and the MACD is crossing higher. Green candles closing higher than the recent red candle open. This is an up trade. However, to be sure, we also want to check the 60-minute time frame as well. Here you see the RSI uptrend over 50. Stochastic slow, oversold. MACD crossing up, green candles, everything you want. We are set here. So let's think about what this means. We have a high probability trade setup on the 37-minute time frame. And to add to our probability of a profitable trade, we also have that set up on the next larger time frame, the 60-minute chart. I am giving you guys gold right now. You have no idea how good this is. All right. And here is how you exit. You have two options. Option 1, and this is what I prefer and is the most conservative exit. You exit on the 37 at overbought areas. You can see that here. Option 2, you exit on the 60 at overbought areas. But be aware, if you choose this option and you haven't checked the time frame above this one, that could reverse on us under some situations.